chat with you a bit. I've been in analytics for the last 25 years, in and outside of Canada. The reality is how do you actually disengage from these sort of legacy software and systems and live in this hybrid world? Because the reality is you probably need both. And when you start to look at things around speech recognition and synthesis and a lot of the bioprinting of actual voice recognition and the translation of these audio signals into the machine, you're choosing technologies that fit for purpose for everyone. Because as we all know, data is the new water. There's no greater asset on the planet. Everybody wants it. I'm happy to take any questions.